at the Howdershell car wash. Look, good wash, better wash.
Look what better wash says.
It says it's
triple coat conditioner.
Yep. Triple coat conditioner and all the stuff that the better wash has.
That's all it does.
Yep. It's got everything that the better wash has, plus it has triple. You got to get the best wash to get triple coat, to get the tri-foam.
Yeah. Gotta get best wash and try.
Yep. Better wash does not have any tri-foam. Spray down this truck, and then we got to pull up on the conveyor. There's the sign right up there, Howdershell Car Wash. Yeah, for another $2, you can get a tire and a wheel cleaner. We used to do that, but the best wash gets the tires pretty clean already. We don't really need another tire cleaner. So we just usually get the best wash.
All the time. Get best wash.
Yeah. I don't think we've ever got a good wash. We always get the best wash.
We always.
Oh, I think she's starting the conveyor for Wid Rig here.
Wid rig. Wid.
For Wid Rig. Oh, there he goes. I think he's getting ready to go. I gotta put our window down. Alright, here I go. Hi, can I get a best wash, please? Oh, look at those. Look at those. Man.
They got, I thought they were rainbow.
Look at those. And it even says Pico. She's spraying them down. Man, I can hear them blow dryers. Woo! Thank you. All right, windows up. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Ooh, spraying it down. Look at those things. Ah, a little bit of tri-foam. Ooh. Blew back and forth. Ah. Soapy suds. Oh, look at this! Rainbow side to side! Oh, a little bit of tri-foam! Little bit of tri-foam! Rainbow side to side! Ooh, look in the back! Really scrubbing it up. Ooh, there's those red little spot-free rinse. And the same blow dryers. Ooh. The blow dryers. And in the back, look at that. Just a spinning away. How about that?
Yeah.
Was that awesome-rific?
Yeah.
That was definitely awesome-rific.